These buns are truly genuine and a real treat to enjoy. I always buy them and even freeze some for later. I cut the buns in half and place them on a baking tray. I put them in the oven, set convection mode, and in just a few minutes, listen, the bun becomes crispy. We slice the apple into pieces like this, whether smaller or bigger, always to your taste. Melt a small piece of butter and add sugar. Let the sugar melt slightly. When the sugar starts to darken, add the apples. We gently simmer them in this smooth caramel. It takes just a couple of minutes since the apples are thin. We need the apples to remain intact, not become mush. Add cinnamon now and stir it thoroughly, please. Place the apples on the bun. You can also optionally sprinkle some nuts on top. This delicious dessert can be served right away, so you do not need to wait for it to cool. If you like cream cheese, you can spread the bun with cheese. Then add strawberries and decorate with a mint sprig. But isn't this also attractive? You can add peach slices, fresh or canned, both acceptable. Nobody can resist a breakfast of cherries. It's absolutely delicious. For men, I suggest adding several fresh lettuce leaves, some sliced ham, plus a single slice of tomato, tarragon greens, a little olive oil, sprinkle salt evenly over the top. Or place a couple of lettuce leaves on the bun, a few slices of your favorite cheese, and top with 3 slices of fresh cucumber. March 8th is here, and you can make your loved one happy by preparing not just a special dinner, but breakfast too. Who would say no to enjoying this bun alongside a fresh cup of coffee or aromatic tea? Wishing everyone a happy holiday, love others, be loved too.